Hi guys, welcome to the course of machine learning projects with MLOps. My name is Boktiar Ahmed Bappi and I'll be your instructor. I'm having more than 5 years of working experience in the field of Python, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, MLOps, robotic system and so on. And these are my social media accounts. You can connect me anytime. So guys, in this course the project we're going to develop called YouTube Sentiment Insights. So what is YouTube Sentiment Insights? I think you already know. So basically here we'll try to analyze the YouTube comments and we'll try to get the sentiment whether any comment is actually negative or it's a neutral or it's a positive. Okay, now you can ask me why this particular problem statement, because I can see this is a good problem statement. So those who are running YouTube channel, I think you know that. So if you are running a big YouTube channel, so it is like very difficult for you to check all the comments, right from your audience. So if I can implement one solution, so this solution will automatically get the comments and it will automatically, let's say, understand the sentiment and it will give me one summary. Okay, and I can see the summary and I can easily understand, okay, how many, let's say, positive feedbacks I'm getting, how many negative feedbacks I'm getting, even how many neutral feedback I'm getting. Okay, so the main thing here is I want to show you how you can implement these kinds of, okay, solution with the help of MLOps, how we can create the entire pipeline, okay, how we can analyze our data. So these are the thing I want to let you know. So guys, now let's try to discuss about the solution, like which solution actually we're going to propose here. So let's say this is our YouTube. Okay, so let's say this is our YouTube. Now if I open any kinds of video, so if I open any kinds of video, let's say I will open this particular agentic AI, okay, this video.
Again, you can see the
And in
verbose,
this
then
video actually
memory. If
you'll
you want to
see actually I have actually different comments. Okay, now manually what we usually do, we just go through the comments and we just try to understand the sentiment, whether this particular comment is positive or it's a negative or it's a neutral one, right? But let's see, we're getting actually thousands comments. Okay, that's at that time actually it's not possible for you to go through all the comments. So if you see my YouTube channel, I have some actually video, it is having actually thousands comments. Okay, so sometimes it is also not possible for me to go through all the actually comments. Okay, so here the solution we are going to propose, we'll be implementing one Chrome plugin. Okay, so I think you know the Chrome plugin, right? So here we also have some Chrome plugin, so we'll be implementing this particular Chrome plugins instead of implementing any kinds of user app or let's say website. We'll be implementing the Chrome plugins. Why? Because whenever I will open any kinds of video, automatically, okay, my Chrome plugin will try to detect this particular video and it will extract all the comments, okay, from this particular video, and it will try to create the dashboard for me.